maybe they want to hold you until a judge grants you bail. Okay. Every case is individual.
Yes. Attorney Golan, will they round up also, ask about your family left behind, and then go to the house and also arrest the wife and the children who are illegally staying?
Probably not. Probably not. But if they come to the house to arrest you, and they meet other people at the house who are not legal, they may arrest them.
But they will have the chance to face an immigration hearing, correct, Attorney Golan?
Again, the question is how long each one individually, how long this wife has been in the U.S., how did she enter, does she have a criminal conviction? Okay, all kinds of, the same question for everybody.
Yes. Attorney Golan, if a woman just gives birth to a baby in the United States, does that give her more chances of staying in the United States? Because it's a baby. She can't leave the baby behind.
She's not required to leave the baby behind. She can take the baby with her.
Oh.
Yes.
But the mother wants the baby to stay in the United States.
Well, where will she leave the baby? In the nearest fire department station?
So,
where will she leave the baby?
So the baby, Attorney Golan, is a U.S. citizen wherever she stays, right? The baby is a U.S. citizen, and even though she goes with the mother, or the mother brings her with her to Mexico or Guatemala, the baby retains her U.S. citizenship. Is that right?
Under today's law, the baby retains the U.S. citizenship for life.
When can she petition for the mother?
When the baby reaches age 21 and some other conditions are met, then the baby can petition for the mother.
So it's okay for the baby to stay outside of the United States and maintain U.S. citizenship, is that right?
I said the baby is a U.S. citizen for life.
Wow.
Even if the baby is on the top of a mountain in Tibet.
Because there's so much talk about birthright citizenship. What is that all about, Attorney Golan?
This is birthright citizenship.
Yes, but there's
the citizenship
controversial.
Depends on the birth.
Yes. But changes are being made. They wanted them not to follow, correct?
Well, they want to make changes. In the meantime, the changes are blocked by some judges, and the block of the judges is on appeal in the Supreme Court, and the whole thing is still with no change. Anybody born in the United States, even today, is still an American citizen, even if the parents are not legal here.
I see. You mentioned that this baby, as she turns 21 years old, can petition for the mom or the dad or brothers and sisters, but does she have to be legally employed to have enough funds to petition for the mother?
I mentioned some additional conditions.
Okay.
And those additional conditions have to be decided and based on the requirements at the time when the baby becomes 21.
What is the answer to the gold visa? Attorney Golan, they say, is this the same as the investor's visa before? Except for the amount of money?
Again?
There are some people asking about the gold visa. So is this the same as the investor's visa? It's just a different amount involved?
The gold visa is something that Mr. Trump let